Train now standing at platform 2 is the 1608 Stepford Express, service to West Wyvern via Morganstown. Calling at Elsemere Junction, Morganstown, Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead and West Wyvern. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train. Platform 10 for the 1606 Stepford Connect, service to Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway and Stepford Airport Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to West Wyvern. We will call at Elsemere Junction, Morganstown, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead and West Wyvern. The next station will be Elsemere Junction.
The platform edge.
We will shortly be arriving at Elsemere Junction. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Stepford Express, service to West Wyvern via Morganstown. Calling at Morganstown, Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead and West Wyvern. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.